welcome, and this particular video is related to the forms information, related to the information of forms or application released by IISc Bangalore for its higher education courses like masters and PhD courses. As you know, IISc Bangalore is one of the first institutes which comes out with its application forms along with NITI Bombay. So if you ask me immediately after GATE exam, which institutes release their forms the first, that is IISc Bangalore and NITI Bombay. And NITI Bombay interviews and everything starts in March, April, and May is the time when session also starts. So NITI Bombay, March, May, you people will be busy with the NITI Bombay forms and applications and interviews and all. IISc Bangalore forms are out in first Feb, I think forms are out, and 23rd March is the last date for filling the form. So you have time. I mean, let your even result come. You have the time for that. Need not to be in hurry, but you should know entire process. Now I will be discussing with you what form this IISc Bangalore is they have released. But let me tell you, YourPedia is going to soon launch very extensive module for post-GATE counseling for all of you, those who qualify GATE, not qualify GATE, less score in GATE and all. And that will be like, those of you who are looking forward to now enter into second stage after graduation. It may be jobs, it can be higher education, it can be higher education India or abroad. So these next 3-4 months before you join masters in India or abroad, or if you join NITI Bombay, or if you join, let us say, PSU or anything you want to join, these next 3-4 months how you have to spend, I'm gonna make a detailed video on that. Because what is observed is like students immediately after GATE exam are really not aware what to do and how to proceed forward. And also there are a couple of things which are moving with parallel with GATE exam, like people are preparing for Airport Authority of India exam also, and people are preparing for their interviews in HPCL also, and now new forms have come for BARC, ISRO and all. So how to spend next couple of months? And joining masters is one part, but successfully completion of the MTech course so that you get very good job is the another part. So there are certain skills which you can acquire, and this is the best time when you can do that. Next 3-4 months you can really utilize very well. And students are not aware about the maximum opportunities available to them, and small decision has a big impact on your career. Small decision like doing MTech from India or doing MTech from abroad, masters MS from abroad, or small decisions like joining NITI or not joining, or going for PSU, or taking this course or taking that course, joining NIT or joining IIT. These small decisions has a very big impact on your life, career, professional life later on. And that is the reason YourPedia and entire team YourPedia is very busy in next couple of 3-4 months for post-GATE counseling. So that post-GATE counseling is not a small thing like you tell me about your GATE score or your CGPA and I will tell you take this course. It is not that simple. It is like so many things you have to discuss with your mentors and make a right choice for you. And believe me, this is very, very important. So anyhow, I'll make that video and you will see that soon. But before that, this form has come. So this is admission notice for PG and PhD programs for this particular academic year. And as you know, in IISc Bangalore you get 3 kind of courses, in fact 4 courses if I can say. One is MTech course, another is MTech research which is called MS also, and third is PhD, and fourth is your Masters of Management. So there are a couple of courses which you can aspire for, and admission is on the basis of GATE score. It is on the basis of without GATE also, like maybe in some of the courses, like if you want to go from MTech to PhD, GATE may not be required. If you want to go for MTech, GATE is required. MS, MTech research, GATE is required. Direct PhD, GATE is required. Masters of Management, it can be through other means also, like GMAT may be required. So these are different exams are required. And for there are some seed scores also. For design courses there is a score which is called seed score other than GATE. So these all scores are required and they are valid. So this is, you can go, I will attach this form along with our video, and if you go on the website of YourPedia, you'll find that we have started putting now dedicated post-gate forms. Whatever form will be released, we'll keep on putting on our website now, that YourPedia is the most authentic and exhaustive platform for post-gate opportunities. Post-gate is one, we have kept one milestone. Otherwise, that means next 6 months, next 5-6 months, whatever opportunities will be explored, YourPedia is going to tell you about that in detail. So this is for MTech research and PhD. These are called research programs. You can go in detail about this. You can study what are the opportunities available to you in that particular direction. Then he is given you about the qualifying degrees and what are the required. Valid GATE score is required, or GATE score may not be required. As I told you, if you are already masters and you want to go for PhD and all, GATE score is not necessary. It is desirable. It is not necessary. Something like that is required. Or it can be net JRF course also. It can be your other courses also, as I told you, like GMAT and all, that course can also be there. So this is so yes, now I will tell you later on that what are the requirements, what are the criterias. Yes, on this slide if you see, there are certain courses like MTech courses. There are certain MTech courses in which 100% GATE score is the criteria. There is no interview. But in some courses like interdisciplinary departments, now you see, these are the core branches: chemical engineering, civil engineering. 100% selection is on the basis of GATE score. But you think of this, climate science and bioengineering, then you see this product design, then you see this mobility engineering, quantum technology, robotics and autonomous. 70% weightage is to GATE and 30% is to the interview. And YourPedia last year also is running very successful and exhaustive interview guidance module also. So it is not that getting call is only criteria, and also statement purpose and research proposal you need to prepare for these kind of courses. So even if your GATE score is not that high, you can land up in some courses in IISc Bangalore also on the basis of your very good statement of purpose and your interview skills. So next couple of months we will be preparing extensively for those domains, interviews and all. And some places there can be written exam also. So admission in IISc Bangalore, is it only on the basis of GATE? Answer is no. Sometimes in some courses only on the basis of GATE, then there is a weightage of interview, then there can be written exam, then there can be statement of purpose requirement. So these are other things which you need to know. So this eligibility in detail you can study, and there is something which is called COAP portal, Common Offer Acceptance Portal. So IISc ki selections also get reflected on COAP portal. So all these details are already there on YourPedia. If you see, COAP details are available, but this season we are going to make these particular things once again. Okay, sponsored, there are some sponsored candidates that I think I'm not making video for them as of now. I'll be making separate video for these sponsored candidates. Now this, Masters of Design, as I told you, for MDes, the SEED score is required, and for Masters of Management, you have a different requirement, and that is GATE score obviously is required, CAT score and GMAT score also are valid. And yes, for this, for Masters of Management, 15% weightage only to GATE, CAT, GMAT score, 15% to your CGPA, 30% and 40% to interview and communication skills. So 70% weightage, 70% weightage to group discussion and interview in Masters of Management. And Masters of Management of IISc Bangalore is a very prestigious course, as good as IEOR of Bombay, IIT Bombay, or of NITI Bombay, so as good as that. So through GATE we get 3 management courses through GATE, very reputed. If I say, one is IIT Bombay, Industrial Engineering Operations Research, IEOR it is called. Another is NITI Bombay. There are 2 courses, IE and SM, Sustainability Management and Industrial Engineering course, PGD IE, PGD SM. And third is IISc Bangalore, Masters of Management. All the courses are very prestigious. Good thing is NITI Bombay already tells 750 GATE score is required for boys, 700 for girls. Master of Management IISc Bangalore mein the score requirement, GATE score requirement is less, but 70% weightage is for GD and interview that you start preparing with YourPedia soon. And similarly, IEOR, IIT Bombay also there will be requirement. So same like other courses in MSc, if science may you want to go for it, then there are some JAM exam, qualifying exam is like this. So there are students from different branches of science, they can go for that particular domain also. So this is how we can go for programs and they are integrated PhD program. So direct PhD opportunities are also there, BTech to PhD, those opportunities are also there. So I want to show you, yes, these dates I want to show you, and fees. What is the application fees for general category? OBC, EWS 800, SC, ST 400. ERP students, external students, 2000 rupees and all. And the last dates are 23rd March. Form is out. First Feb form is out, and last date is 23rd March. By that time, obviously, we will do the detail. We will understand this entire form in detail. We will understand it and we will discuss it in detail. So IISc Bangalore has come out with the form. That was the news, and for more form-based news, you can depend 100% on YourPedia, yourpedia.in, our website. You go there and keep checking what are the forms we are coming out with. The first form, post-GATE summers mein, is IISc Bangalore. NITI Bombay will come, and NITI Bombay and IISc Bangalore, they are the two first forms, most important. Then IIT Hyderabad self-sponsored activity starts. So many other IITs will start coming up. Soon the forms will start getting released. You can depend upon YourPedia thoroughly for guiding you properly during next couple of months, and for many courses of skill enhancement, interview guidance, and so many things. There are small things which actually are very helpful in your career thereafter. So YourPedia is going to mentor you for that in detail. Looking forward to mentor you, guide you thoroughly during next couple of months. And now this is the update. Please keep it, and after GATE, utilize your time very well. All the very best. Thank you.